Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be fitting some nice dark window tints to the back of the coupe. Although before we get started on that, after the last video, just want to quickly fix up the mud flaps because I've had to take the front one off because they were slightly a bit too low catching. So I have already cut the rear ones, although I've lost the stickers, so I need to sort that out again. And the front ones, they need cut back, but also we need to cut down just a little bit. Yeah, we also just need to cut down just a bit down the side because they're catching on the wheels when turning. So hopefully we can get that sorted today and it'd be nice and easy. Okay, so now it's just a matter of getting the car jacked up quickly, getting them cut, and they should be on with no problem at all.
You get rubber mounts that sit on the end. I need to buy one.
You keep saying that. I'm pretty sure you said that last time.
I need to make one. I'm just too cheap.
Okay, so back to it now. We've given it a good cut up. Change. We've just got to mirror it over to the other one we've got now, but yeah, it's all measured up and good, so hopefully it shouldn't be grounding out and scraping across or hitting the wheel or anything now. So yeah, now just to mirror it onto the other one and stick them both on. Okay, that's this side all on and fitted. Now it's just getting the wheel back on and we're pretty much there, done. Yeah, I want to sort out the stickers back on it again, but we'll do that once the car's all clean one day. So yeah, let's get it on. We'll go over to the other side. Shouldn't be no time, and then we'll be on with the window tints. And that is both of them on both sides. We had a little bit of trouble with these bolts. Normally you take them out, put it under, we put them over on the other ones, but these ones did not want to play ball, so we've had to luckily found an extra little screw we can use to hold it in place. But yeah, all round very happy, looking good.
They do look good.
And yeah, as I said, once it's all clean and good, get the stickers back on, and that should be that sorted. But yeah, now let's get on to the window tints.
Also, while you're there, if you can't guess what I've been doing, if you think you know what it is, it's to do with that, and I'm covered in shit. This is like 5 days old as well, it's just not coming out. Guess what it is.
Yeah, let us know for that one in the comments below. Let us know what you think. And
yeah,
points for whoever gets it right.
Because everyone likes points.
Yeah, everyone likes points. Well, you've got to keep track of them because we're not very good at that. No. So, yeah. Anyway, let's get these window tints on. Okay, so just a bit of glass cleaner quickly. Give it a quick clean up before anything goes on, because any dirt you have on there is going to stay there. So, yeah. Okay, so I've got some pre-cut tints here, so I didn't have to do any cutting. It was nice, easy and cheap. So first thing, after we've given it a clean, we've got some nice soapy water to do, just to help move it around once we're on it, to make sure we've got it fit properly. Now get you out, and then we stick it on just like a sticker.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Where's your little tool?
On the box there.
Got it.
Yeah.
And then we just spread it out.
You know what? That's a million times easier than pre-cutting. Then cut it yourself. Shit, that was simple.
Yeah, that's just getting it out.
Yeah, that gets all the water out, just keeps in there. Wow, pre-cut is definitely the way to go. To be fair, I'll get the lovely missus to wrap with the MX-5 windows because she's fucking good at it.
It's partly her car too anyway, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. Well, she's the reason I got it. We'll do a full story on it one day, guys, when we're driving it. But yeah, we'll tell you about the MX-5 story one day, guys. Yeah. You'll all be along.
Start getting its videos up.
And how it all came to fruition. Is that it?
I think it's as good as I'm going to get it. You can't really see it, so...
Let's see if you can see it from the outside. If you can't see it from the outside, then you can only just see it. It's fine. That looks alright.
Cool. It's fine. If you want to unplug that, just doesn't go on. Right. That's the other side today.
Nice. Oh, let's actually. So that is the small ones done on the side. They look pretty decent, to be honest. Not bad. Now the difficult one is this.
Nice big one.
So yeah, clean it all down first and we'll try. Let's see what happens. Should be fine. As you probably can't see, the tint is lined up. Oh no, you can see, it's fine. So we're just gonna peel it, spray it, and it should work. There's your water.
No, we'll peel it. We'll put it up first, mask and tape it.
Are you gonna mask and tape half sides? Halfway like that? If we stick that, oh shit. I don't think it's gonna work, George.
Or would you rather just we wet it and just go for it?
Well, I can do that, but then it's not gonna, nah, it ain't gonna work.
Are we just gonna wet it and go for it then?
Well, if we keep it wet and work this way,
this is only gonna go well.
it'll be fine. Literally just peel a little bit at a time.
Okay.
Now if we go like that, add a bit more water. I think water is the key. And now, if you come round and I hold this, honestly, this is probably one of the single most difficult things to do. To all you professional tinters out there. Nice.
Well done.
Oh shit, I need more water. Get wetter, bitch. That's fine. That's cool. Nice. Nice.
We need to start wetting everything out. Just wet the rest of it, Matt.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we'll peel the rest off. We'll just have to go for it.
Okay. Hold it while I peel.
Yeah, I'm doing my best to. Confident sounding noises then, Matt.
Honestly, it's just raining inside your car.
Yeah. I mean, it's raining outside my car too.
That's true. Just giving it a good soak because I think that's the only thing that's helped so far.
Okay. I'm just going to try and get this end lined up and work my way down.
I get that. We can always add water when we need it.
Yeah.
Well, if we can get this corner in, I feel like they're just going for it kind of work.
Yeah.
Obviously they'll
Go hard or go home, right? I don't know one.
I think we're covered in all areas.
Cool. That's just.
Now, what corner are you going to start from?
I don't know. I'm starting from that corner basically.
Okay, so start from that corner and work it.
12 seconds later.
Nah, there's water coming on me through it.
Yeah, it's coming through the back.
Yeah, it's going straight through on me because I'm inside.
That's the camera. Oh, it's working. It looks alright.
It's getting there.
2,000 years later.
So I mean, as you can see from the outside, well, we've done very good on this side. A few bits of the corners we're just working on. Although, still a bit to go on this side for pushing all the air bubbles and bits out, but we're getting there. We're getting there slowly. So yeah, almost done.
Eventually.
Yeah, so we've called it basically. It's kind of there.
It's all
Could be better, but well, the side ones came out perfectly. So we got that.
And if we're going to get it done, we'll get it done.
Yeah. Yeah, if we maybe get it done again, I probably will get it done by some professional. So yeah, just remember, this isn't a tutorial, this isn't the how to or any of that stuff, but yeah.
It looks okay.
It's all fun for what it is. We've had some fun doing it, so.
If you say so.
Well, we've been laughing a fair bit at it, at least.
Yeah, that's true. That is very true.
Yeah. No. We called it here so we can get on with some other bits, so.
Look really good though.
Yeah. They're really good. So at least if I do want to get it done professionally anyway, I've only really got to worry about the back because the sides are already done perfectly. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's that done. We've got the mud flaps all fixed up. Tint's all done. So, yeah, I'm quite happy with all of that. So, from as back clears up, I guess we'll say goodbye. We'll see you in the next one. Okay.
I didn't purposely want to spray your head, but it was there and I kind of had to.
I didn't want to, but I did it on purpose. Yeah, so I didn't want to. Well, it was on purpose.
Yeah.